Welcome to next lesson in square root. So squares and square root. What is a square? Again, we are repeating the difference. Square means side by side. Cube means side multiplied by side multiplied by side. This is two dimension. Area is two dimension. So we are telling it's area. So the next one, cube is three dimension. There are three dimension for this, isn't it? One dimension, two, three. So we are calling cubic. Area is in square. This is cubic, or so what we call this volume. So what will be two dimension? So it has got an area. Three dimension cubic, like ball. You can't represent in two dimension. So next, we'll move next problem. What exactly? So 1, 4, 9, 6 there. 2 means 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. We have mentioned this is 11 square. Normally up to this 13 square will be dealing very frequently. So students should be familiar with these figures. So what is you write 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 square. You try write up to 29 square like this. You can practice these 2 times. It will be very useful to you in solving problems. So there are laws. You see, if the number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, or 6 or 9, then it can be a square. See, 1, 4, 9 ending with, then it can be a square. Why it cannot end with 3? 13 is not a square. It cannot end with the 2. Why it is not end with the 2? 12 is not a square, you see. Or 22. Why 22 means 2 into 11 is not a square. You just check. It cannot end with 7 or 8. So there's a pattern, you see. This is the pattern we observe. If the number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it it need not be a perfect square. It can be a square. Okay. The next ending with 1. So you did ending with square 6. So if you multiply by 1 by 1, it's 1, For example, 121, you multiply 121. So square means the first digit has to be 1. Then only this can be 1. If this 2, can it be 1? No. 3, can it be 1? No. The 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8. No, but 9, it can't be 9 also. This 9 nines are 81. For example, you are multiplying 19 by 19. So the first digit can be 9. So if any number is ending with 1, its root can be ending with 1 or 9. So if the number ends with 1 root can end with root can be end with 1 or 9. If it end with 2, what will happen? 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. If it is 7, 7, 7, 49. It will end with 9. So you remember this. So this is so ends with 1. If the number ends with 1, its root can end with either 1 or 9. Two options are. So 9 nines are 81. Now you go back, try to observe here. 9, where ends with 1, 81. 121. Oh, 121 against 11, It's no problem. Next, what is the option? Ending with 6. So, if the number ends with 6, then root can be can end with which one will become 6. See, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. Oh, it can end with 4. Root can be 4 with 4, then 4 fours are 16, Then, okay. Another option 6, 6, 6, 5 is are 28, won't come 6, 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64, 9 9 are 81. So only these two options are there. If number ends with 1, root can be 1 or 9. Ends with, would also be end with. Okay. The number ends with 6, root can end with 4 or 6. Can be anything else. You refer now the word one here. You see, this is 4 square, 6 square. No other digit ends with 6. So, what exactly we are trying? When some number is given, we are trying to locate what can be the factor. Square next is square numbers can have even zeros. Why not? Yeah. If it is 1600, so it is 40 square. So you can see a pattern here, 2 digit 10, here for 16 you got 4 here. 40 square is equal to 40 multiplied by 40 is equal to 1600. So its root is 40. You'll see a pattern here. If there are two zeros in the original number, root ends with 10 because you are multiplying 40 again by 40. Root ends with 10. So you'll see a pattern. Okay, we'll see one more pattern. So here we have mentioned all the roots in the down and upstairs square of the number. Up to this 81, you see it is a single digit square. 9, say this can be either 6, 7, 8, 9. Single digit square, that is like that. It is only. From here, when it comes to 10, when 2 digits is here, it will become 3 digit here. 3 or maybe even more. If it is, for example, we take 900 multiplied by 99, 900. What is that? 8100. You will get such a big number. Let us take 90. Okay, sorry, okay, not 9. You take 90. 90 multiplied by 90, 8100. See, these two 10 here become 20 for 2 digit. Up to 4 digit it can go. When square of some number, square up to 99 you try. 99 multiplied by 99. the product will be 4 digits. If it is 100, you see, then what will happen? 100 multiplied by 100 become 5 digits. 100 multiplied by 100 become 5 digits. So this pattern, understanding this pattern is important. So when you are squaring a single digit number, it can be a single digit also or double digit. If you are if the root is square, root is of 2 digits, its square can be 3 digit or even 4 digit. One more also it can be. So this gives you a pattern. So now we will try to find out now what is root 3. I told you the ad hoc format, this understanding the root is very important. So what is root 3 is equal to, so we'll put, so what are the ways we'll use the formula and find the root? That is one way. We're just using our ad hoc formulas, So root 3 is formula is given. First digit, okay, let us take it as 1. Next, we should try with 7 and 8, 1.8. If you see 1.7 square, it will be less than 3. If you try 1.8, it will be more than 3. So the value size somewhere in between. Next, you try with 1.73 multiplied by 1.73, this is less than 3. You try 1.74 multiplied by 1.74, it will be greater than 3. Like this way, you can trial and error, you have to find out. You have to try one by one. Then you get this answer. This method is very long, where you don't have any clue. It's called trial and error method. So you are going on, try one by one. Okay, let us try this first one. That's correct. 1.7 multiplied by 1.7, what is that? So 2 points are there, is 2.89. What about 1.8 multiplied by 1.8? So here it is 2.89, here 3.22. Here more, So the 1.7 something. You can guess, oh, it is near this. So instead of 1.7, you try 1.72. So you can go on. See, you will find you won't get a perfect 3. The answer will go near 3. Okay, you will try 1.73 now. 1.73, 1.73. One 73. You total it. You get 2.9929. It's going very near equal to 3. But you won't get exact root. The root 3, we can root of 3, we can, you try any number of, so 1.7320, that is the answer is given, you try with this one, the answer will go something like this, 2.9999 something 1, like that. Example, this is the example I'm telling you. Like this it will go. Cannot become exact 3. That is why this root 3 is called irrational number. What is the definition of irrational number? We can't express in by way of a by b, where both are numbers, natural numbers. We can't tell us is equal to a by b. Something like 2.9, like this is goes on. It won't be a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. So we will try to find the, know, so the nearest decimal. Normally we'll take the first two digits only. Maximum three digit in some cases. No, you can try root 2 also in similar way. You can just practice this. What is the root 2? So I will give you the answer. What is the root 2? Something like 1.14 something. Something more. You please try this, how you exactly arrive at the answer. You have to practice this finding root 3 so that you will understand the principle behind it. So you have to repeat the problems, and remember this. Ending with 1 means what is the formula? 1 or 9. Ending with 6, root can be, it need not be necessarily. So our guess is how exactly try to predict what can be the correct one. You can rule out the other options. Please practice the finding square roots. Okay. Thank you.